Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your existing account on the HODL application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the HODL application, and once you open it up, if you have already been logged into your account, you will directly be taken to the home page from where you will be able to see various different prices. Now, in order to log out from your account, go ahead and tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and you will be taken into the settings menu. Now from the account settings page, go ahead and tap on the account tab at the top right corner, and now you will find the option to log out. Tap on the logout button and you will now directly be logged out from your account on the HODL application. However, some of your user data might still be saved. So in order to prevent this, long press on the HODL application and then tap on the info button. Now from the application info page for HODL, first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on the OK button to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, tap on the clear data button at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button to clear all of your user data for the HODL application. Once you complete this process, when you open up the HODL application, you will notice that your account has already been logged out completely, and you will need to define all of your preferences and settings and log into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how you log your account completely out of the HODL application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.